Sitting MDC from 19 Jaiaw Constituency and Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh cast his vote at the Dorbar Shnong Lum Kshaid Community Hall today. Speaking to the media, Lyngdoh expressed confidence that the UDP will win majority of seats in the KHADC and that it is open for talks if no party gets a majority to avoid the intervention of the administrator rule.
Well, I have always maintained that the greatest competition is not between us and any rivals, but between who we are and what we are capable of becoming. So this morning, I'm very confident that we will be leading the next EC in the KHADC. Predictions and indications are that the UDP will do very well across Khasi Hills, across all the districts of the Khasi Hills areas. And here in Jaiaw constituency, we are super confident of making it to the top.
Strike finger.